Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Instagram Reels and how to easily access the Reels page on the app. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, these steps will guide you to explore a plethora of creative content. First, let's open the Instagram app. If you haven't already installed it, head to your device's app store and download Instagram. Once you have the app open, log in to your account. The interface is user-friendly, so you should see your feed right away. Next, look for the Reels icon at the bottom menu. This icon resembles a clapperboard and is usually located between the home and shop icons. Tap on it, and voila, you are now on the Reels page. This section is dedicated to short videos that users create and share, showcasing everything from dance challenges to cooking tips. Once you're on the Reels page, take a moment to browse through the content. You'll see an endless stream of videos curated for your viewing pleasure. Scroll through and tap on any reel that catches your eye. Each video will play automatically, allowing you to enjoy various trends and creative expressions from users around the world. If you want to interact with a specific reel, simply tap on it. You can like, comment, or share it with friends. You can also save it for later by tapping the bookmark icon if you find something particularly inspiring. Remember, exploring Reels is not just about entertainment. It's also a fantastic way to discover new ideas and trends that you might want to try yourself. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your next post or just want to enjoy some creative content, the Reels page has something for everyone. So there you have it. Following these simple steps will help you navigate to Instagram's Reels page effortlessly. Happy exploring, and enjoy all the creativity that awaits you in this vibrant community.